Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 272. If we start with this box, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 covering this box and a 2 covering this box, so our 2 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so this is our 5, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got the 9 covering both of these boxes, so our 9 must be here. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4. No, we're not. We're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.